We'll guide you how to freeze or pause a video in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, if there's a specific part of a video you want to freeze, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Now let's open up the CapCut app and start a new project. Import any video you'd like to use. Next, navigate to the exact moment where you want to freeze the video. Once you find it, tap on the video to select it. It should be highlighted in white. Now, at the very bottom, swipe over to the right. The freeze option is towards the end, so keep swiping until you find it, then tap on it. This will take that specific frame and create a 3-second freeze. If you want it shorter, simply drag the edge of the frozen section to adjust it, say to 1 second or any length you prefer. I'll show you how it works. It freezes for the selected duration and then continues playing. You can also delete the frozen section if you change your mind. And that's it. If it's helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more tutorials.